Hello, little kids. Welcome to our world of birds, Birdie Adventures Part 3. Are you ready to explore the fascinating world of birds? Let's go. Meet the sparrow. I am tiny bird found all around the world that flits around ground and parks, chirping sweet songs. I am pigeon, also known as rock doves, are adaptable birds with a rich history. I live in cities, cooing softly and clapping gray wings. Pelican, a large water bird, known for their impressive beaks and are skilled divers when hunting for fish. Me, kite, is a graceful bird that soars high in the skies and skilled hunter. Meet the myna, a clever bird with a talent for mimicry, known for its bold and curious nature, often seen strutting around streets and parks. Let's recap all the 5 birds. Sparrow, pigeon, pelican, kite, myna. Bye-bye, kids. See you soon. Subscribe for more.